Good evening. Good evening, Rabia.
Good evening, ma'am. Hi, Preeti.
Yes, hi. हाय स्वप्ना. मैं सोच रही थी कौन है. हाय स्वप्ना. स्वप्ना, मैंने कॉल मिस किया. आई वाज टॉकिंग टू टीचर्स.
No issues. It's okay. It's okay. Hi, Prasad sir. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Sir, you are on mute.
Yeah, hi.
Good.
Hi.
I have heard a lot about you from Ms. Preeti.
Yeah, thank you. So, Rabia, Preeti, shall we start?
Yeah, shall we? Sure. So,
Yes.
good evening, all. I would like to welcome all of you on this special evening where we are celebrating World Teachers' Day. And we'll be doing a virtual ceremony of recognizing each and every educators, mentors, the efforts they are making in nurturing the future of our nation. So thank you all once again for being here with us today and making this day a more special. So I'll start with, I would like to first welcome Dr. Anita Paul. Ma'am, may I have you please?
Rabia, Miss.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, we'll go through the PPT.
sure.
Yeah.
So Dr. Anita Paul is here with us as a chief guest for today evening. So over to you, Prasad sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Peace and International welcomes you to the virtual set of Acharya Vinoba Bhave Shikshan Samman 2020 on World Teachers Day in recognition of your efforts during these testing times. It's a pleasure to have with us the principal of Vinoba Bhave International School and Global Goodwill Ambassador, Mrs. Anita Paul, as our chief guest for the evening. May we have a round of applause for Mrs. Anita Paul?
Before we start our ceremony, we would begin with lighting of the lamp by our chief guest, Mrs. Anita Paul, our CEO, Mr. Prasad Srivastava, our branding and communication head, Mrs. Preeti Pasricha, our moderator for the evening, Mrs. Rabia Bhatia, and all the dignitaries present here. Now request our CEO, Mr. Prasad Srivastava, to say a few words.
Evening, everybody. Very good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. It's an honor. It's an honor to be sharing this platform with such different personalities. We've got a chief guest, Anita Paul, ma'am, and such wonderful educators over here. It gives me immense pleasure to say that, like Acharya Vinoba Bhave, who was considered as a national teacher of India, you all are also doing a wonderful job as educators, self-motivating yourselves during these difficult times. The appreciation that you receive is actually very less compared to the enormous efforts and hard work that is being put in by you. I respect and I salute each and every educator on this platform. Pray God gives you enormous strength and courage to help you nurture the students and build the future of our nation. I would now like to share a small video of 4 minutes about P Square International, so you get a better idea of what we are into. Right, we've been into this business for the last 16 years with 50 plus centers, 8,500 plus students. Our presence is across Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Nasik, Solapur, Bangalore. Our affiliations, we are ISO certified and we are associated with Mama. We conduct state level competitions. This is one of our competitions, it's a written examination where we are testing the skills of the students in terms of speed and accuracy, solving around 100 sums in a span of just 5 minutes. So here we are working on skills like speed, accuracy, their photographic memory, their concentration levels, trying to get the best out of them. We also work on the auditory skills. When we call out numbers, and this is what it is.
15, 26, 48, minus 10, 12, 88, 17, 87, minus 58, 45, minus 33, 48, 35, 32, 15, 98, 13, 38, minus 37, 14, 18, 33, 12, minus 13. That is
627 is the answer. Okay, this is the national level competition that we have at large scale, around 1,500 to 2,000 students who normally join for the event from across Maharashtra. This is our team of teachers. Our students who appear for the international competition carrying our India flag. Felicitating our educators and these happy children with the trophy. My pillars, Reshma Gowde, Renuka Bendre, handling the operations and the trainings. Yeah, my pillars at the international conference are international head Ronnie Chong, students making India proud at the Abacus competition, And this is my team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful insight of what T Square has been doing, and it's really mesmerizing to see.
పోతాం అక్కడ పోతాం పోతాం డబ్బుని పెట్టేస్తాను.
May I request all of you to please be on mute, apart from the host and the moderator. It would be easy for us. So kindly please put yourself on mute.
Yes, thank you, Rabia. Good evening to all the honorable guests present here. I feel honored to share teachers' achievements and celebrate on this special day, that is World Teachers' Day. Happy World Teachers' Day to all of you present here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to you too.
Yes, thank you. So we wish same to you, to each other. We wish all same to each other.
Thank you.
Yes, we have Miss Anita Paul, Principal, Billabong High International School, as our chief guest. Thank you for your presence, ma'am.
Thank you for inviting me over. Thank you so much, Preeti.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, if I would like to ask a question, like school reopen every year, but then this year is something different. All the parents, the teachers, principals, the management are thinking on what effective measures to be taken when the school reopens. So if you can guide us on this.
So yes, it is a very trying period that we all have been going through for the past few months. And we have been innovating and experimenting on new methodologies in the classrooms. We are, doing away with the old traditional pedagogies and bringing in new strategies and new tools to the classroom. Teachers are now learners at the same time as educators, because they have to also unlearn old traditional ways of teaching and adapt to new methodologies and experiment with new methodologies, which itself is quite an eye-opener. We have been talking for the last, decade that AI is going to take over. We'll have, artificial intelligence embedded in everything that we are doing. Slowly and gradually, with the small steps, as we say, the first footstep on the moon. It's the first footstep in the area of education that everybody was taking. They were trying, to use the flip classrooms or the blended classrooms, or they were using the smart TVs, bringing into the classroom. Developers were developing systems other than the boards, which traditionally were the white boards, the green boards, and the black board. And now we have the smart boards in the classroom. We are also developers also developing 3D modules that can be embedded amongst our tools itself and brought into the classroom. Google had started doing that few months back. I remember in December they had started with this little thing that you could see a 3D animal and bring that animal to your room and play around with that animal. So things are happening. Yes, it is a time when we were talking about, I think so again a year back, when people were giving their lectures, they were talking about the VUCA world, which is a volatile, uncertain, those kind of scenarios. But we are living that right now, and we are experimenting with everything possible. Yes, everybody has the emotional outlook towards it also, and keeping the evils of too much of technology also in mind. People are trying to create time brackets for the learning process in such a manner that it does not affect our eyes too much, or our mental health is also kept in mind. There are a lot of emotional things added to along with the teaching of the curriculum. People have started believing in the goodness of yoga, meditation. So classrooms are also experiencing that. We always said parents played a very important role in the life of a child. That has come into play now. They are also part of our learning process. So yes, as in time goes forward, there will be certain changes which will be brought in and adapted as a proper normal way of teaching and learning processes. There is still time. We are still in that fledgling stage of doing away with what is good or what is bad. you know. So whatever good we learn and whatever the other collaborators and educators around the world are sharing, you know, the platform is opened up with technology, everyone's sharing the good practices with us, so we can bring it, imbibe it in our teaching and take forward. So Preeti, what you said was, what is the way forward, is actually the way every day we live and experience and experiment with new technology, or with new pedagogy, or with new methodology, as well as the now not only the learning process, but the learning process embedded with our wellness also. So that is the way forward. So yeah.
Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Thank you so much. Actually, yes, you are right. These teachers as warriors have just not given up. Come what may, they are facing the situation so boldly. And like really clap for these educators, everybody all across the globe. With this, we begin the virtual ceremony of Acharya Vinoba Bhave Shikshak Samman 2020. Over to you, Rabia.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. And thank you, Ms. Anita Paul, for sharing such a informative piece of, your guidance with us regarding this topic. So now I would like to start with the ceremony. And to start with, I would like to call Ms. Asha Sharma, the principal of IPSA Holdings from Gurgaon. She believes in making every child shine in their own skies. So I think we have Ms. Asha Sharma, ma'am. So, ma'am, this is it for you, a token of love and gratitude from all of us for your efforts in testing times. I would like to call Ms.
Rabia, your voice is cracking. Rabia, your voice is cracking. If you can be a little clearer, please.
Yeah, ma'am. I think
yes, now it's clear.
Now it's okay. Now it's clear, Rabia. Now it's clear.
Because I think all right.
I think
so. I would like to call
the system. Move closer to your system, then your voice is much clearer.
Rabia, are you there?
I think.
Rabia, you can just log out and log in again, I guess.
I think in the meantime, Preeti,
yes.
We've got the names to do.
Yes, so we will start with the first slide, where we have a Miss Anita Paul, principal of Billabong High International School, Jabalpur. Miss Anita believes in bringing innovative practices in online learning process. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Preeti. Thank you.
We have,
I guess, yes.
Thank
we
you,
have a lot of
we have
videos
Miss
and
Asha.
audios.
Yes.
All are facing the network glitches today.
We have Miss Asha, principal of ISPA Holdings, Gurgaon. Miss Asha believes in making every child shine in their own skies. Congratulations, Asha ma'am. We have Miss Asnaha Farheen, principal Abdul Qadir Molia International School, Dhaka. Miss Asnaha Farheen started her career in the realm of education more than 10 years back as a PYP educator. In this journey of learning and teaching, she wore different hats and grew immensely. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
We have Ms. Chandralekha Bazaz, Principal Maple World School, Jalandhar. Ms. Chandralekha has worked hard to lift the standards of farmers' children. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
We have Dr. Sagarika Roy Bhatia, Principal Round Glass Sports, Mohali. Dr. Sagarika is leading a school with alternate education for sports enthusiasts. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you very much. And thank you, P Square International, for having this award. Once again, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Is Rabia here or shall I continue?
Yeah. Continue. You have to continue because she's going to log in again.
Sure. Sure. We have Dr. Kavita Roy, Principal of Oxford World School, Pune. As an educator, she has always apprised her team that they have the ability to shape leaders of the future in the best way for society, to build positive and inspire future generations, and therefore design society both on a local and on a global scale. Congratulations, Dr. Kavita.
Thank you very much to the whole team of P Square. I recently got a chance to get associated myself with P Square. Thank you very much for the commendable work which is being done by P Square. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have Dr. Ravi Tripathi, Principal of Sumitra Modern School, Sitapur. Dr. Ravi Tripathi is an educationist. She also serves as a Vice President, and she's a Goodwill Ambassador for Human Rights and Peace. She also is associated with Sports Academy Association of India. She has won Best Educationist Award by Indian Solidarity Council of India. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. My heartfelt gratitude to P Square International. Good wishes and congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Dr. Rajni Garg, Principal, the Indian Public School, Erode. Dr. Rajni believes there should be only one goal as an educator, and that is to make sure that the capacity to obtain knowledge and experience are passed on to the next generation. Her main goal is to help both students and facilitators to learn how to learn for themselves. Congratulations, Dr. Rajni.
Thank you so much, team. And yes, my heartiest gratitude to P Square International for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
We have Dr. Manjula Nair, Principal of Christu Jyoti English Medium School, Pala. Dr. Manjula always strives hard to implement value-based education. She is an excellent planner, motivator, and a decision maker. She's also in charge of various extracurricular activities such as yoga, meditation, art of living camp, tree plantation, and blood donation camp. Congratulations, ma'am. We have Inayat Pathan, Principal of Ma Sharda High School. Mr. Inayat provides online classes to government school children during this COVID-19. Congratulations, Mr. Inayat. We have Mr. Manish Jhala, Principal of Anand School of Excellence, Ahmedabad. Mr. Manish started his career as TGT English in the year 2009 and 10. In 2014-15, he was awarded with Best Teacher Award by Ambuja Group of Schools. Congratulations, Mr. Manish. We have Mr. Bidya Bhushan Padhe, Delhi Public School. Mr. Bidya engages students in learning, expanding their limits, and motivates to work on the creativity. Congratulations, Mr. Bidya.
Thank you. Thank you to the P Square team. Thank you.
We have Ms. Rashmi Rekha Satapathy, Principal, Delhi Public School. Ms. Rashmi works on growth mindset of children, motivates students to work on their innovative schools and develop creativity. Congratulations, Ms. Rashmi.
Thank you very much to all of you and also the P Square International, and God bless you all of you. Thank you again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. We have Ms. Pratiksha Vishal Kumar Solanki, Principal of Jai Jalaram International School, Anand. Ms. Pratiksha believes in developing different methodologies in teaching and make education innovative and interesting. Congratulations, Ms. Pratiksha.
Thank you very much, P Square, for providing me such an opportunity. Thank you very much.
We have Professor Dayanand S. Hodal, Principal of SB College of Commerce, Kalaburgi. Professor Dayanand specializes in agricultural economics and welfare economics and has participated in local, regional, district, and state and international level programs, camps, seminars, and conferences. Congratulations, Dayanand, sir. We have Ms. Sujata Chaudhary, Principal, Academia. Yes. Do we have Professor Dayanand here?
Madam, thank you very much for P Square International Institution for selecting me as World the Teachers Day the time. So I wholeheartedly, and my institution behalf and my state behalf, I am congratulating, and I am always with the teaching and the student fraternity, and I hope I will get the same in future also. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Prasad, I guess Rabia is waiting outside. If you just let her in. She's in? Okay. Rabia, would you like to continue?
Yeah,
We
let me
have
just
Sujata Chaudhary.
I don't know why I'm facing her.
I think she's still
Hello. Hello.
Sure.
Hello. I'm Sujata Chaudhary.
Yes. We have Ms.
Hello.
Sujata Chaudhary, Principal of Academia Bridgewell Solutions, Bangalore. Ms. Sujata works as a teacher and principal since last 22 years. Congratulations, Sujata ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, everybody. Like every recognition actually gives us, encourages us to do more in life, and I hope that I aspire to serve the education department more and more in life. And thank you for such a wonderful event. Thank you for such recognition. Thank you very much. God bless everybody.
Thank you. We have Ms. Taruna Kapoor, Principal of Ramagya School, Dadri. Ms. Taruna is into global collaborations, PBL, climate action, and T4. Congratulations, Taruna ma'am. We have Ms. Jyoti Ramachandran, Principal of Champion Public School, Thane. Ms. Jyoti is now a veteran, has been in education since 1987. Has also been a textbook author, part of NCERT in book writing team, and also a resource person of NCERT, SCERT, and DIET since 1995, and also in recent times, RP of CBSE, COE Pune, COE Noida. She's also a proud recipient of Dr. Radhakrishnan International Award. Congratulations, Jyoti ma'am.
Preeti ma'am, I was
Yes.
actually there, but then some of the network connection I got, I was just put
Sure.
out. So thank you so
Sure.
much. Humbled, and I'm honored to get this award. This is Taruna Kapoor from Ramagya School,
Yes.
Dadri.
Yes.
And all the best to the P Square team. God bless you all, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Is Ms. Jyoti around? Do we have Jyoti ma'am around? Okay, we have Ms. Kusum Prajapati, Principal of L. Artems and Junior College, Navi Mumbai. As the instructional leader, Kusum ensures every teacher and student should be best served with online educational resources. Congratulations, Kusum ma'am. We have Ms. Lily Roy, Principal of Sai Balaji Public School, Pune. Ms. Lily believes in shaping a vision of academic success for all students and cultivating leadership in others so that the teachers and other adults assume their paths in realizing the school vision. Congratulations, Lily ma'am.
Thank you, P Square team, given this opportunity and this award. Thank you very much for this honor. I'm really thankful to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Lily. We have Ms. Pooja Mohan Chaugle, Principal of Srimati S.S. Waze English School, Thane. Ms. Pooja has been guiding students and inspiring teachers for last 32 years. Congratulations, Ms. Pooja. Next is Mr. Sharayu Pandit Amrutkar, Principal Shri Ram Vidyan Mandir, Savarkar Nagar, Thane. Ms. Sharayu is with Shri Ram Vidya Mandir since its inception year. Her motive is to educate and give good sanskar to other children. Congratulations, Ms. Sharayu. Next, we have Ms. Sneha Surendra, Principal of Anmol Vidya Mandir, Thane. Ms. Sneha believes that every teacher is committed to provide their students with the highest possible quality in education. Congratulations, Ms. Sneha.
Thank you so much for whole team P Square International. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Ms. Akhila Dinesh, Principal of Radcliffe School, Mumbai. Ms. Akhila believes in innovation, inspiring and motivating her team to bring the best in her students. Congratulations, ma'am.
A very good evening to all the eminent personalities, and I express my gratitude to P Square for honoring this award to all the educationists all over the country. So at this time of COVID, it is real motivation and boost. So thank you so much, each and everyone, and congratulations to all the winners.
We have Ms. Bhavna Dagli, Principal of Vibgyor Roots and Rise, Mumbai. Ms. Bhavna believes in quality education to children who can be global citizens with Indian values. Congratulations, Bhavna ma'am. We have Ms. Sangeeta Mehrotra, Principal of MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul School, Sholapur. Ms. Sangeeta has 20 years of teaching experience to students from pre-primary to B.Ed Junior College and has conducted various workshops for students. Congratulations, Ms. Sangeeta. We have Dr. Ruby Pakshi Kurdi. She's an educationist and inspirational TEDx speaker. Dr. Ruby has excellent managerial and organizational skills and has ability of working against all the odds to deliver good results. Congratulations, Dr. Ruby. We have Ashima Gandhar, trainer, Salwan Public School, Gurgaon. Ms. Ashima takes care of each child's individual needs. She has conducted classes even when she was diagnosed COVID positive individual. I hope you are well now, ma'am. Congratulations, Ashima. Next, we have Mr. Anil Kumar Sharma, trainer with Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Delhi. Mr. Anil is a proud recipient of National Award for Teachers by Government of India. Congratulations, Mr. Anil. We have Anurajshri Anand, edu leader and educational consultant with Crowns and Tiaras, Gurgaon. Miss Arudharshri sees up the best of daycares all over India and K-12 schools. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much for this honor. I'm humbled.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Team Career Beacon as trainers, New Delhi. Career Beacon has created a domain which aims to provide the latest career trends, news, technology development, new techniques used by different institutions, reviews of products and solutions used by institutes, etc., which will eventually facilitate the procedures of development. Congratulations to the Career Beacon team. We have Mr. Chandan Kumar, who is a trainer with National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Hyderabad. Mr. Chandan has trained number of SHG members and different team members on frugal innovation and entrepreneurship. Congratulations, Mr. Chandan.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for this honor. I think I missed out my name. So I'm really thankful to the team P Square for giving this opportunity and this honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have Dr. Dharna Bhardwaj, Director of Pratility Luminaries Private Limited. Dr. Dharna has been recently awarded in the Institute category on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2020 at Principals and Teachers Award organized by Simply Jaipur and Thar Sarvodaya Sansthan in association with Rajasthan Foundation. Congratulations, Dr. Dharna.
Thank you so much, humble, and congrats to all the awardees. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Ms. Priyadarshini. She works as a trainer with Saraswati Priyadarshini Education Management Private Limited, Chennai. Ms. Priyadarshini educates the poor and underprivileged students and provides free leadership training sessions. Congratulations, Ms. Priyadarshini. We have Ms. Rajia Kausar, trainer with Mount Litera Z School, Barot. Ms. Rajia creates a valuable environment and the situations and the students love to attend her class always.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
congratulations.
you, P Square.
We have Ms. Ramso Albert Holela, trainer with St. Augustine University of Tanzania. Ms. Ramso aims to make a school which will have all necessary materials and instruments to keep them safe from coronavirus. Congratulations. Next, we have Miss Ranganatha DJ. He stays in Bangalore.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have Miss Richi Dastani, trainer with GD Goenka School, Hyderabad. During this pandemic, Miss Richi has trained her team to be empathetic towards both students and their parents. Congratulations, Miss Richi. We have Miss Sangeeta Narayan, trainer with P Square International, Bangalore. She has been teaching Abacus and Vedic Math students since few years. Congratulations, Miss Sangeeta.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. And I would like to thank P Square International for hosting this event, and thanking Mr. Prasad also, and appreciating our efforts. And World's Teacher Day, Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Miss Afnitha Salahuddin, teacher with Shining Star International School, Abu Dhabi. Miss Afnitha works as KG teacher and coordinator. She also works as an ambassador for Simply Bottles. Congratulations, ma'am. We have Mr. Ankur Goyal. Yeah. Thank you. We have Mr. Ankur Goyal, teacher with IPSPV Ghaziabad. Mr. Ankur has been successfully delivering training since 7 years to more than 50 selected in IIT-G, more than 30 have cleared in NTSC, Math Olympiad and competitive exams. Congratulations, Mr. Ankur.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. A heartiest gratitude to PS Square International Group, and happy World Teachers Day to all of you.
Thank you. We have Ms. Ashay Tandon, teacher with Macro Vision Academy, Burhanpur, MP. Mr. Ashay has been awarded as Best Zonal Teacher since last 2 consecutive years. Congratulations, Mr. Ashay.
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. Thank you, P Square International. Best of luck for the future. And very, very much thank you for remembering us in this COVID era. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Mr. Ashish K.R. Singh, teacher with Radiant International School, Patna. Mr. Ashish participates in almost all events of school and volunteers effectively round the clock to give assistance and guidance even beyond. Congratulations, Mr. Ashish. We have Mr. Asif Iqbal, teacher with Indian Public School, New Delhi. Mr. Asif makes good use of mathematical applications, simulations, teaching aids, and follows Playway method. Congratulations, Mr. Asif.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, PS Square International. I am honored to get this award. And finally, thank you all of you.
Thank you. We have Mr. Bushra Afreen, teacher with Shining Star International School, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Ms. Bushra contributes through building student agencies and ensuring that students carve a niche for themselves on a global map. Congratulations, Ms. Bushra.
Thank you so much for this award. I'm very honored, and I thank P Square International and Prasad sir for this. Thank you so much, and happy World Teachers Day to everyone.
Thank you. We have Dr. Hari Prakash Srivastava, teacher with LBS PG College, Gonda, UP. Dr. Hari Prakash has taught sociology for more than 37 years and has guided the research scholars for PhD. Congratulations, Dr. Hari.
Thanks, P Square International, for conferring this honor to me. Thanks.
Thank you. We have Mr. Irene, teacher with Bishop Remigue School. Miss Irene believes in teaching good values. Congratulations, Miss Irene. We have Kiran G, teacher with SRN Adarsh College, Bangalore. Mr. Kiran is dedicated professor since 11 years of service and would love to teach till his last breath. Congratulations, Mr. Kiran. We have Mr. Zunaid Alam, teacher with Glen Hale Public School,
Hello.
Bihar.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Kiran. Yes, Mr. Kiran.
Ma'am, thank you. Thanks a lot for offering this award to me. Thank you. Thanks a lot, P Square International. Thank you.
Thank you. I would request all of you to please mute yourselves. Thank you so much. We have Mr. Zunaid Alam, teacher with Glen Hill Public School, Bihar. Mr. Zunaid believes that every teacher is committed to provide their students with the highest possible quality education. Congratulations, Mr. Zunaid. We have Ms. Yashoda SM, teacher with GT Institute of Management Studies and Research, Bangalore. Ms. Yashoda has taught more than 2,000 students and is a proud awardee of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Award Best Teacher by Karnataka Pratibha Academy. Congratulations, Ms. Yashoda.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for conferring this award to me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. And during this pandemic, you and your team and Prasad sir has taken so much of efforts to bring to this platform all the teachers, because we know during this pandemic almost every institution has been downsizing their whatever the teachers they are facing so much of problem. They have taken this profession so that this profession is a profession of all the professions. So this teachers want just a piece of appreciation and just a recognition in this platform that you people are doing, and we are so much grateful for you and your team for this marvelous efforts. Thank you, Prasad sir. Thank you, P Square, and thank you everyone. Happy World's International Teachers Day to everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ms. Yashoda, for your kind words. We have Ms. Preeti Shankar, teacher, Indirapuram Public School, Girls, Patna. Ms. Preeti has a large impact on students and lives beyond the classroom. She helps students to innovate new ideas. Congratulations, Ms. Preeti.
Thank you, Team P Square International, for honoring us with a prestigious award. Thank you for having this event and making us feel so special. I would also like to thank Ms. Deepa Sharan, Principal, Indirapuram Public School, Girls, Patna, for always encouraging me and providing me opportunities so that I can be here sharing this screen. Thank you so much, P Square. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Ms. Prerna Oberoi Gupta, teacher with Red Roses Public School, Haryana. Ms. Prerna has won Best Teacher Awards for consecutive 5 years. Congratulations, Ms. Prerna. We have Ms.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, P Square International, for honoring me with this. I just want to mention one more thing. I have been in touch. I have been attending like plenty of workshops which are being organized by P Square International, and they are awesome. Like we all are taking our online classes in the daytime, and maybe in the evening or maybe on the weekends, you people are arranging those capacity building workshops, really doing a very great job. Thank you, Team P Square, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. We are glad that all of you benefited with those webinars. Thank you so much. We have Ms. Neha Kiran Vempati, teacher with Sanskruti Global School, Vishakhapatnam. Ms. Neha Kiran counsels students to develop moral, social, and life skills and has received Best Teacher Awards and appreciation letters from the parents and schools wherever she has worked with. Congratulations, Ms. Neha Kiran.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, Preeti ma'am, and P Square. It's really a great initiative by P Square. I have been attending your workshops or webinars as well. Really great. And we really need this recognition during these test times. Being human beings, we too are human beings. We too need recognition as students and others need. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot once again.
Absolutely agree. We have Ms. Neeru Shaw, teacher with Shri Jain Vidyalaya, Kolkata. Ms. Neeru has contributed in building a classroom full of children with full energy, passion, and enthusiasm for the better future. Congratulations, Ms. Neeru.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, and my deepest gratitude to P Square International for providing me this honor. Thanks, and thanks a lot.
We have Ms. Pallavi Tejwani, teacher with Indirapuram Public School, PV, Ghaziabad. Ms. Pallavi aims at making learning a fun-loving experience for students. Congratulations, Ms. Pallavi.
Thank you, P Square. I am humbled with this honor.
Thank you. We have Mr. Prashanath Hegde, teacher with Government Girls High School, Karnakapura. Mr. Prashanath believes in teaching English in easy, understandable manner at high school. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, madam.
We have Rafat Nasir, teacher with St. Mary's Academy, Meerut. Rafat Nasir is an educationist and a social worker. For Rafat, teacher is not a glamorous profession, but she feels it stands out among all the rest. Congratulations, Ms. Rafat.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, everyone, and thanks for selecting me and being a part of such an honorable August gathering. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Congratulations. Can we move on to the next slide? Yeah. Can we move on to the next slide? We have Ms. Renuka Singh, teacher with Indirapuram Public School, Pratap Vihar, Ghaziabad. Ms. Renuka is into education since last 16 years and is involved in the teaching learning process of mathematics at various levels. Congratulations, Ms. Renuka.
Thank you, Team P Square, for this recognition and motivation on this special day. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have Ms. Sabah Kausar, teacher with Radiant International School, Patna. Ms. Sabah believes in bringing out the best in each child. Congratulations, Ms. Sabah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to P Square International for honoring me with this award on this World Teachers Day, and happy World Teachers Day to all of you.
Thank you. We have Sindhu H.A., teacher with Kalpatru Center School, Tiptur. Ms. Sindhu believes in providing highest possible quality education. Congratulations, Ms. Sindhu. We have Suman Singh, teacher with Radiant International School, Patna. Ms. Suman, as a teacher, is always ready to learn new things and improve her teaching practices for the betterment of her studies. Congratulations, Ms. Suman.
Thank you, P Square International for this award. I'm truly honored to receive this, and congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have Ms. Mini Das, teacher with Indirapuram Public School, Ghaziabad. Ms. Mini believes as an educator, she makes her students comfortable in class and has helped the students in doing the audits programs during the Green School project. Congratulations, Ms. Mini.
Thank you so much. I'm humbled for such an appreciation for my work. Thank you. Thank you.
We have Ms. Parsh, teacher and activity coordinator with Indirapuram Public School, Ghaziabad. Ms. Parsh believes in the motto, learning never stops, and tries her best to make students feel valued and places them at the center of their learning process. Congratulations, Ms. Parsh. We have
Thank you so much for conferring this award. I want to actually thank my principal for nominating and providing this opportunity. I also want to thank P Square team for taking this initiative and recognizing our efforts. Happy Teachers Day to everyone. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. We have Mr. Parul Singh, coordinator with Indirapuram Public School, Ghaziabad. Ms. Parul has always given her utmost support to her teachers to be well prepared for this unprecedented scenario. Congratulations, Ms. Parul.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, P Square, for this recognition, and congratulations to each and everyone present here. Thank you so much.
We have Ms. Divya Jha, PRT with Indirapuram Public School, Ghaziabad. Ms. Divya is a self-motivated individual with an attitude to learn. Congratulations, Ms. Divya.
Thank you so much. Thank you, P Square International, and congratulations to everyone.
Thank you. We have Mr. Virendra Singh, coordinator with Indirapuram Public School, Ghaziabad. Mr. Virendra has been teaching mathematics since last 15 years. Congratulations, Mr. Virendra.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And my heartfelt gratitude to Team P Squares and best wishes. And also congratulations to all awardees. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you. We have Ms. Shilpi Chadda. She works as an academic head with GD Goenka Public School. Ms. Shilpi believes in creating an environment that inspires her team and makes every child feel loved and respected. Congratulations, Ms. Shilpi.
Thank you, Team Square, for this honor. I am truly humble. Thank you.
We have Ms. Malti Dagar, Junior Coordinator with Indirapuram Public School, Ghaziabad. Ms. Walti is versatile, result-oriented, patient, yet authoritative leader with demonstrated success in school administration and a genuine interest in students' cognitive, social, and emotional growth. Congratulations, Ms. Malti.
A big thank you to P Square International for conferring this award, and a big congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have Ms. Swapna Mitra, who works as a trainer with Podar Institute of Education, Mumbai. Ms. Swapna strongly believes in knowledge shrinks or expands in proportion to one's learning. Congratulations, Ms. Swapna.
Thank you, Priti ma'am, and a big thank you to P Square International and the entire team for their seamless efforts that they have taken up to organize such a big event. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have Ms. Shaileja Ganesh Wagh. She works as a teacher with Smart Guru Abacus and classes, Bir. Ms. Shaileja teaches Abacus and provides free tuitions for poor students. Congratulations, Ms. Shaileja.
Thank you so much all P Square International and Prasad sir and Renuka ma'am and Reshma ma'am. Thank you specially for you. Thank you.
We have Giselle D'Souza, teacher with Sri Balaji International School, Mumbai. Giselle believes in being a friend with her students. Congratulations, Ms. Giselle.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And thank you to P Square International.
We have Ms. Maria Lopes, teacher with Sri Balaji International School, Mumbai. Ms. Maria believes in inspiring her students. Congratulations, Ms. Maria.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Prasad sir and P Square International. All the best and God bless.
Thank you. We have Ms. Rachel Lobo, teacher with Sri Balaji International School, Mumbai. Ms. Rachel serves as a teacher since few years. Congratulations, Ms. Rachel.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Prasad sir, and thank you, Pooja ma'am.
We have Ms. Sujit Sudevan Acharya, teacher with Sri Balaji International School, Kandivali. Mr. Sujit is serving as a teacher since last 18 years. Congratulations, Mr. Sujit.
Thank you so much, sir, for the honor given by P Square International School. We will continue our hard work and effort everlasting. Thank you, Prasad sir, and thank you, P Square International.
We have Ms. Salochana Pokhriyal, teacher with Sri Balaji International School, Mumbai. Ms. Salochana is serving as a teacher since few years. Congratulations, Ms. Salochana.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, P Square. Thank you, Prasad sir. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
We have Ms. Monisha Sheikh, teacher with Canary High International School, Pune. Ms. Monisha serves as a teacher since last 8 years. Congratulations, Ms. Monisha. We have Mr. Sartaj Ali Khan, teacher with New Habib High School, Mumbai. Mr. Sartaj helps the BMC school students. Congratulations, Mr. Sartaj.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again for P Square International for recognizing me. Thanks a lot to entire team.
Thank you. We have Ms. Prerna Mahesh Pawar, teacher with MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul School, Sholapur. Ms. Prerna is teaching since last 4 years. Congratulations, Ms. Prerna.
Ma'am, thank you, P Square. Thank you, ma'am.
We have Ms. Sadhana Mahendra, teacher with Bharat English Schools, Pune. Ms. Sadhana serves as a teacher since 10 years. Congratulations, Ms. Sadhana. We have Ms. Sana Mahiboob Sheikh, teacher with MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul School, Sholapur. Ms. Sana serves as a teacher since few years. Congratulations, Ms. Sana. We have Shrisel Hadpad, teacher with MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul School, Sholapur. Miss Rishel works as an art teacher. Congratulations, Mr. Rishel. We have Anamul Matthias, teacher with St. Benedict. Mr. Anamul serves as a teacher since few years. Congratulations, Mr. Anamul. Mr. Prasad, can we check if Rabia is waiting outside, I guess, to enter?
Ma'am, I'm here.
You're here? Yes, sure. We have Miss Sadhna Chogle, teacher with WizKids Academy, Mumbai. Miss Sadhna believes in setting up a situation in which students can and will learn effectively. Congratulations, Miss Sadhna.
Thank you, ma'am. Big thank you, Prasad sir and whole entire P Square team. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have Miss Rabia Bhatia, who is a trainer with education sector and NGOs, New Delhi. Miss Rabia's passion is to create a peaceful society and to spread love and happiness. Her important contribution is to always apply the principles of humanistic approach in all the spheres of her life. Congratulations, Miss Rabia.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. And thank you, P Square. Thank you, Prasad sir, for giving me this platform. I actually thoroughly enjoyed my journey with Prasad sir, with Preeti ma'am, with P Square team. And I would love to get associated for more, workshops and this kind of journey. Of course, I would like to say thanks to the all the educators, all the senior leaders, who have been a great support to all the students, all and nurturing the future of the nation. The time is tough, but I'm sure this shall too pass if we are there for each other, and if we have the positivity in our minds, obviously we'll be able to overcome each and every obstacle. So thank you once again, Prasad sir and Preeti ma'am, for this kind of recognition and appreciation for a small effort what I'm able to do.
Thank you, Rabia. And with this, you can take it ahead, Rabia.
Yes, and now here comes none other than our Preeti Prastricha ma'am, who is the, just give me a moment, I'll just share a few words about her. So don't want to get lost. Just give me a moment, please. Her name was there the moment I opened the list. So she is the Assistant Primary Coordinator with CP Goenka International School, Thane. She strongly believes that mother gives birth and teacher gives worth. She helps students to do their best and reach their goals. So thank you, Preeti ma'am, for being here with us and for being a great support to all of us.
Thank you, Rabia. Rabia, you can take it ahead.
Sure, ma'am. So now I think we still have time. So I would like to request all the principals to share one piece of message with all of us, a kind of, a positive message which can encourage the educators as well as the students.
So Rabia, before anyone starts on that, I would like to congratulate Mr. Prasad, and also I think so, though every one of us have been recognized by a certificate, I don't think so he requires any certificate, but definitely I think so he needs to be applauded for his work during the pandemic also. After all, he is also an educator, and I think so if he's हिंदी में कहते हैं ना सूत्रधार होते हैं, तो he is a सूत्रधार here. So he has brought in all the pearls together in this string and strung them together, and each one has their unique, contribution. We've always said, we've always talked about children, and we've always said, every one of us have a different fingerprint, and the children have a uniqueness. But I believe teachers also equally have their uniqueness, and they bring in, those smiles on the faces of the children. And Prasad sir, obviously, today morning I was just looking into his profile and everything, and I found, maths always intrigued me, and I think so. it's one of the subjects where worldwide people do get scared. Even 60-year-old, if he's asked to give a calculation to a a simple algebra, I think so would be also confused and will be very scared to take that step forward. But he does an amazing work, and congratulations, Mr. Prasad, and congratulations you.
Absolutely. Anita, ma'am, you have said all. Actually, I was coming to this part at the end, basically, because he is the person who has been able to, get all of us together on this platform. So he is the person actually. And obviously, yes, we would like to congratulate him and wish him for all his future endeavors. And thank you. And I have lots of gratitude for him for doing this kind of initiative, and whatever he's doing for the educators or the students. I think it's a marvelous job. He's commendable jobs he's doing that.
Yeah.
So
Mr. Prasad wanted to say something. I would like to hear what he has to
yes,
say.
even I am waiting for his message also, and I would really want him to speak something.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
sir.
we can.
I actually have no words to say. All of you are really wonderful. You've been working really hard, and all these awards or whatever appreciation we are giving you is really very, very less compared to what you should be getting. In fact, through these times, I haven't seen any of the teachers taking a rest. They've all been working continuously for more than even 12 to 13 hours in a day. They start at 8 o'clock and till 9 they do not know kids, their lunch, their dinner, everything is gone for a toss. and they're really putting all the efforts, taking all the tantrums of the students, of the parents. Wonderful job by all of you teachers, doing very, very hard, working very hard. And I am privileged. I am actually privileged to be in the midst of all of you. Getting a lot to learn from all of you. Whenever we meet, when I keep on meeting personalities like you, all these dignitaries, I get to learn a lot from all of you. Really wonderful, and I hope we could connect more. And Rabia, this is not the end of the journey. We've got a lot to do.
I would request all of you to please mute yourselves. Yes.
I said, Rabia, the journey is still a long way, and we have to be continuing and connecting. Yeah.
Absolutely, sir.
And there are a lot of things that we need to be doing. So thank you, Rabia. You've been a wonderful support. Preeti has been a wonderful support. I am actually just मैं सूत्रधार भी नहीं हूँ मैम. मैं तो बस इन लोग जो करते हैं मैं करते रहता हूँ इन लोग के साथ. So they are the ones who are doing actually everything. Yes, and my pillars.
सर वही बहुत बड़ी बात होती है अगर आप सबको संजो के रख सकते हैं, इकट्ठा ला सकते हैं. और ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे एज अ प्रिंसिपल आई नो कि टीचर्स लोग इतने रिकग्नाइज नहीं हो पाते हैं, खास करके इस पैंडेमिक में तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. उनका जो योगदान है, आई थिंक सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग फॉर देयर क्लासेस इज अमेजिंग. I know my own personal teachers, sometimes I know that they have to give time to their elderlies at home, or maybe there's a patient also at home. They themselves, like one of our, awardees was COVID positive. So there are these cases that are happening, but yet they feel that, they have that connect with their children and they don't want to give that up. So hats off to everyone. And you recognizing their efforts is also something, it adds up a feather to their cap also.
Thank you.
So congratulations on that front.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Absolutely,
you.
ma'am.
Thank
You
you
said it all. Actually, you said it all.
Preeti, ma'am, we have one or two late entries like Dr. I think Dr. Ruby Bakshi has just joined.
Okay.
Wow,
sure.
wonderful.
Can we just call her?
Yes, sure.
It's super. And Dr. Ruby.
Yes, I'm here. Hello, everyone.
Hi. Can't see you.
Can you see me?
Yes, of course.
All right, all right. I was just mesmerized with all the beautiful exchange of conversations that were happening between Mr. Prasad and all wonderful ladies. I was like, wow, it's amazing, when you are having the appreciation of such a great team, you know, हर कोई हर एक के बारे में इतने अच्छे words बोल रहा है, automatically you enjoy.
Right.
We were missing you.
See, I'm here. I just came back from the university.
Please share your piece, your advice, your information, your thought process, your feedback, your message to all of us. Please, we are waiting.
I think Rabia, you and Preeti already said a lot of things, and also Anita. I don't know Anita personally, but I could hear her feelings and the words for Mr. Prasad. It was very overwhelming. Even though it's I would say a very short period of time that I know you guys, but I feel like a family, like an extended family sitting here in Switzerland. I feel a part of you guys. I'm really, really honored to be sharing this platform with all of you. I think this pandemic has not been a very good stage, or I would not say that it has been a great phenomenal thing, but yes, it has been a very challenging time, a very, very, difficult time for everyone, but it got out a lot of possibilities. World became much smaller because everyone got connected. हर कोई हर एक के साथ जुड़ के सोचने में लग गया कि कैसे इसको डील करें. And I think that's the beauty. जब आप इतनी वैसी situation जिसमें कि hopeless situation, trying to make the best of the worst. That is what exactly happened in this situation. And I got connected to P Square International. I got connected to some really wonderful educational institutions in India. जो इतने सालों में मैं connect नहीं हुई थी. मैं यहाँ पर थी. I always felt काश मैं ये कर रही होती, काश मैं वो कर रही होती. You know, when I would see Teachers Day celebrations, because यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. I would miss, because when I was in India, I was always a part of 5th September. I would always participate. 5th October, I would always participate in something. And I guess it's a platform that I got connected with you all. Even though I had my classes, I told Mr. Prasad, please keep me towards the end because I'll try to be here. I didn't want to be doing it from the university. You know, वो expression नहीं आते हैं. जब तक English बोलते रहो मजा नहीं आती है. You know, so you have to say that दिल से. You have to connect with people with दिल से. And you know, in the staff room, I couldn't get that feeling. So I said, I have to come back, and from home, I want to see all these smiling faces, all these beautiful places, people sitting in front. And देखो हम लोग सब connected हैं. We are all far away, but still we are connected. हम एक दूसरे की खुशियाँ share कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे की success को share कर रहे हैं. And that's the beauty. I'm really honored to be part of you guys. And of course, as Mr. Prasad just said, we are looking forward for more future collaborations. एक साथ, everyone will be successful. सब लोग साथ में मिलके एक अच्छी team की तरह चलेंगे. A global team. And we'll rock on. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Preeti ma'am, we also have Sunanda Rao from Career Beacon. She's also been joined in, so can we?
Sure.
Yes. So, Miss Sunanda, can we have you, please? We are
Hi.
waiting. Hi.
Can we see you?
Hi.
Yes.
Yes, you can see me. Thank you so much. Good to see Ruby, Preeti, and Rabia, and of course, Mr. Prasad. I've been witnessing a couple of events that you guys are doing. I believe we are in the print media and digital media, and you're working something on this. Obviously, synergies can work. Thank you so much for this recognition. As such, whenever we are recognizing any person, you know, I believe Rabia would be the witnessing person because she witnessed our event just now. So it's a pleasure to everyone when they receive recognition, and it's more pleasure to a person who is giving that recognition. Maybe this is the power of gratitude, which we have learned it from Dr. Ruby, Dr. Joy, as well as there are multiple people who have been into the forums, which we always say that attitude of gratitude is required. So thank you so much, Mr. Prasad, for recognizing us and bringing us to this platform. I believe synergies can work together and we all can do something for the teaching fraternity. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Sunanda. Thank you.
Rabia. Yes, Rabia, if we can connect with Bhavna ma'am with your Roots and Rise.
Yes,
she was is she around? Bhavna ma'am, can we see you?
Bhavna ma'am, can we please?
Very good evening. Good evening, Preeti. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah, hello, Rabia.
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening, Mr. Prasad. Happy to see you all here.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much for all the recognition that you have showered on us on this important occasion. You have made it memorable one, and I'm more grateful because you have taken this platform to appreciate the entire community, which is not very commonly happening, and it has been a wonderful time. And my heartiest congratulations to all teachers who have been contributing to the development and growth of our children in these testing and unprecedented times. Thank you so much. Thank you, Preeti, for all the hard work that you have put in to bring me here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Bhavna.
Bhavna ma'am. The entire pleasure is ours. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thanks a lot.
I would also like, yes,
like to have a few words from Dr. Sagarika.
Yes, I was just going to say her name, Dr. Sagarika Bhatia, and then maybe Dr. Sujata.
Yeah.
Dr. Sujata Chaudhary. So, ma'am, Dr. Sagarika Bhatia, can we have you, please?
Yeah. Sure. I'll just switch on my camera.
Yes, sure, please.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and good to know all of you all here. I mean, I don't know most of you all except for, of course, Prasad, because it so happens that Pooja and myself, we have done our BA together, and that's how I know him. And it's indeed a pleasure to know the way he has brought up P Square to the level that he's brought up P Square with his efforts. Of course, efforts have always been there, but then there has to be passion and as well as clairvoyance, So I think with all of those, he's brought to a wonderful platform. And with this, Prasad, I really wish you all the best and heartiest congratulations for wherever you have reached today with P Square is really amazing. I mean, I feel so proud that when last, I think Ansh, my son Ansh was with you at here in Yari Road in one of the centers. And thereafter coming to this level in, I think 18 years, maybe 18, 19 years. But it's really wonderful, your journey. That's only because of the hard work and the sincere efforts. And I really wish you all the best. And that's all the best to your team also. And to whatever extent you require my inputs, I'm always there. You know it. I'm always there for it. And I really look forward to better times. And congratulations to everyone present here. All my colleagues over here I saw Lily Roy and a couple of them whom I know. So that's congratulations to all of you. And congratulations to you too, Prasad. And I really wish you grow leaps and bounds. And that's it from my end. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you. And now I request Sujata ma'am to please come in front and say a few words. Sujata ma'am, I'm waiting. Is she here? Preeti ma'am, can you please check Sujata Chaudhary ma'am?
I guess she is not in the meeting.
Has she left already? Okay. So may I request Chandralekha Bajaj ma'am to be here and say a few words. Chandralekha ma'am, I'm waiting for you.
Yes.
Hi there. Hi, everyone.
Hi,
it's like so pleasure, in this time, in this hard time, we don't get the recognition from anybody, thankless job. Teaching is a thankless job. But I'm so grateful to everybody out here that who's recognized our services. Rather, it's just a service to the mankind and humankind which we are doing. But a little appreciation, a little motivation, take us to the heights. So today it's this much and tomorrow it goes to the height. I'm so grateful to everybody, Prasad sir, Preeti ma'am, and Rabia, who's my, partner in Buddhism as well. So, I'm so grateful. So gratitude to all of you, and good thing never go wasted. Your learning never go waste. Everything will come back to you, and everybody will be successful in leaps and bounds. May God bless you all. Bless everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And now I request Dr. Kavita Roy to say a few words. Ma'am, I believe you are here, Dr. Kavita Roy.
No, I guess she is not here.
She's also left. Okay.
No, there.
She's there?
There?
Yeah, hello everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. We would like to see you. Please.
Okay. Just give me Okay,
Sure,
you can
sure.
continue with the next speaker so that I can be present in front of the camera.
All right. So, right. So I would really request Lily Roy ma'am to say a few words. Lily Roy ma'am. I just saw her. She's here. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Please share your message with all of us.
Hello, good evening to everyone. First of all, I am very much thankful to P Square International to honoring me at this award. And in this situation, I feel yes, yeah, this teaching fraternity needs this, this type of honor, because at the means with all household work, there are no maids and all, and continuously teachers are working their best, and even principals. We are also 24 hours we are engaged. How to be? Everybody is thinking how to give our best, how we can give, in this challenging time, what is the best way we can put this online situation. It's a new one. We were never doing this kind of work and all, and everybody somehow we are thinking, okay, can we have a competition, online competition we are doing. I remembered last week I have done for my children, we have done fireless cooking competition, then drawing competition. This all, but yes, this pandemic, we have learned so much. We are, interconnected. And other my colleagues are also told the same thing. We are interconnected, and we have learned this collaboration. We came to, even teachers are, yes, I will tell one thing, teachers are really, they are working hard, and they need the recognition and all. And I feel, and it's not topic to say, but few schools, they are not paying the teacher. I feel somewhere it should not pay, they should pay. And even parents are not paying the fees, they should pay the fee and all, so that teachers and other staff, they can get their salary properly. So I hope this time will go as soon as and we are likely to, physical class. We are eagerly, students are eagerly waiting for the physical class, teachers, everybody. So I pray to the God, as soon as possible this pandemic situation should go, and we should go back to the physical school. Thank you very much. Again, P Square International, you are giving the honor to the teaching fraternity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your words, for your kind words. So now may I request Dr. Kavita Roy to please come in front and say a few words.
I hope I am visible to everybody and audible as well. So good evening, everyone. And I really thank P Square, because this was the recent time when I got associated with P Square. I never got a chance. So I even attended a couple of webinars as well. And we are reciting in Maharashtra. So I hope everybody is aware what exactly is the situation of Maharashtra. So thank you very much for this particular VLS, I would say, the platform which is being provided to appreciate and to acknowledge the unconditional effort which is being taken by the teachers, by the educators, by the principals, by every single individual, I would say. And thank you, P Square. Great effort, commendable effort. I think so words will be less to appreciate your efforts which you are doing in uprising people, in enhancing the knowledge and the skills of each and every individual. Thank you, every single individual. Good to be know certain people like Rabia. Miss Rabia is there, Miss Preeti, and I hope I am missing out one name, which I can see. I'm really sorry for that. And thank you for the commendable work, P Square. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now, may I request Preeti, ma'am, to share a few words.
Yeah, may I please request to be everyone to be on mute?
I request.
Rabia, there is some problem. Can you get back to me a little later?
Okay.
Preeti, you are absolutely clear. We can hear you.
Yeah, actually.
You go ahead. Maybe you are getting the disturbance on your earphone, but I think so we all can hear you absolutely.
Absolutely, we can hear you, ma'am. I think now ma'am is facing the similar issue the way I faced, I guess. Some network glitches are there. Okay, so I think ma'am, can you please plug in your hands-free once again? Just plug out and plug in. Maybe also lose connection. So, may I request Taruna ma'am to say a few words to us? Taruna ma'am, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Please,
Good evening, each one of
waiting
you,
for your
everyone.
voice.
Good evening. Yeah, and congratulations to each one of you and the P Square team. It is really an honor and a motivation for all of us that you are giving a platform to the teachers, to the principals, and are recognizing our efforts. And I would say that in this time, in these times, people don't care for the other person, but P Square is actually being considerate and caring and thinking about the teaching fraternity, who is the future builder. So what I want to say, that like ma'am said that the managements are not giving the salaries and all, but we are very fortunate that Ramagya Foundation, they have not even fired a single teacher, not a single employee. They have actually taken care of our family and in these tough times. So I would thank God that yes, we are blessed and we are fortunate enough, and that is how we are together here. And this time will also go away with our prayers and all our positive thinking. And I would really say, somebody said here that we should meditate and we should do yoga and we should actually be very happy so that we can come over this difficult time. Thank you so much. And thank you, Prasad sir, Rabia ma'am, and Preeti ma'am for, putting such beautiful award ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. So, Preeti ma'am, is it okay?
Yes. Now it's okay then.
Great. So please.
I would like to take ahead with what Dr. Ruby said. She said कि जब तक हिंदी में बात नहीं करें तब तक मजा नहीं आता है. I will say कि हिंदुस्तान के दिल से तो हिंदी ही बाहर आएगी. Thank you so much, Dr. Ruby.
We're missing this, ma'am.
Yes.
Missing this, actually.
And I would also like to say 3 nevers. Like never say never, never lose hope, and never ever give up in your life. It will happen definitely. If not immediately, but it has to happen definitely. So never ever give up.
And ma'am, एक बात रहेगी, एक लाइन. हम साथ हैं.
Yes, Rabia.
कैसे हम साथ
बिल्कुल absolutely हम साथ हैं.
Exactly.
मैम हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं.
जब साथ में हैं तो सब ओवरकम कर लेंगे, है ना मैम?
Absolutely, Rabia.
When we are together, we will win. Together we win.
Definitely, it goes without saying.
Yes.
Thank you.
So now here we are going to close this session. We are going to end this session. I would like to really thank each and everyone for making this virtual event a great event, a wonderful event, a successful event, and a joyful event. May we have many more such events in the future with Prasad sir, with Preeti ma'am, with Anita ma'am, with Dr. Ruby Bakshi, and all of you. So have a great weekend and good luck to everyone. So
Rabia,
that we can...
Rabia, just a small request. If my certificate can be flashed, Prasad sir,
Definitely.
Please.
All the members around it. It would be
yes, ma'am. For sure.
Definitely.
Why not?
Educators around it.
Yes, sure.
For sure.
And Mr. Prasad, even Bhavna ma'am, since she joined late.
Bhavna ma'am also.
Yeah.
And we miss Rabia's as well. Yeah.
Miss Sunanda's as well.
I request everyone to switch on the cameras because some of the cameras I'm seeing off. So I would like to take it with all of.
Yeah, with everybody with cameras on and the smile on.
Exactly.
Rabia, invincible together.
Invincible
Forever.
together. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. Forever. Invincible together.
Forever.
Let us give a big round of applause to everyone.
Yes, Anita ma'am, this is for you.
Right, I'm just taking it. Yeah, done. Thank you.
Thank
you.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Good night. Lovely evening.
Night. Have a lovely evening.
Prasad, sir,
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All the best. Take
Thank you.
care.
Thank you. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Good night. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Prasad, for the recognition.
Thank you. Most
Thanks a lot
welcome.
once again. Bye-bye, everyone.
We've sent you the link for the Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah. So anybody wants to share, watch, you could share it and you could watch.
Thank you, Mr. Prasad. Looking forward to meeting you again soon.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, sure.
And Rabia, take care, and Preeti, you also.
Yes,
take
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We are lining up some more webinars.
Yes.
Rabia on the job. Preeti and Rabia on the job.
Don't you ask me math questions. I'll get stuck.
But it's a pleasure working together.
Yes. Bye. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Prasad sir. Thank you, Preeti, and thank you, Rabia.
Thank you,
Swapna.
Swapna. Thank you.
ma'am. Take care.
Thank you, Rabia. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Preeti, ma'am.
Thank you.